Okay guys, so I want to go ahead and bring to you a quick, easy, good filling meal today. It's going to be my shrimp vodka sauce pasta. You got it. Let's go ahead and get started. So now that I have seared my shrimp, let me give you the ingredients. I have shrimp, bag of shrimp, clean, no seasoning. Put butter in the pan, and then I have my Shimon's Kitchen seasoning salt. You can use regular seasoning salt. You got it, guys. Shimon's Kitchen. Mrs. Dash, you're going to use 3 to 4 teaspoons of milk, and I have 3 teaspoons of sugar, mild, sharp cheese, shredded cheese, vodka sauce, yummy. And then we have the penne pasta. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So I already boiled my pasta. I boiled the pasta. I went ahead and for about 8 to 10 minutes, 8 minutes, till it's soft. I rinsed it off, drained it so it wouldn't be watery. I already seared my shrimp with butter, and I left the butter and flavors inside of the pan, and we're gonna go ahead and make up the sauce. Okay, depends on how saucy or how big you're gonna make the meal. For the amount that I'm using, I'm gonna use only one jar of Brotilla vodka sauce. Nice, thick, rich. Don't have to do a whole lot to it, but I just like to add my own. You're gonna use about 2 teaspoons of milk. You're gonna use you season it to your own taste. I say about 2 teaspoons of seasoning salt, 2 teaspoons of Mrs. Dash, and 3 teaspoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3. Let's get the mixing. I can smell the aroma already. And I'm also going to add a 1/2 cup. How much cheese you want? I'm going to add the cheese into my sauce. Okay, you're going to take it right on the pan and listen to that. Got the butter going, and we're going to let that simmer for about a good 5 minutes. We're going to let it simmer. 5 minutes, let it cook. I'm gonna come back and show you. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and take your shrimp, let the sauce simmer, make sure it's all mixed in there together. Yes. Look at that, you guys. Come on up, bros. And while I'm showing you guys that, my stove is on medium high, letting it cook and bubble a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the plating and get the tasting around here. Let me clean off some of this so I can show you what we're gonna do with this quick, easy pasta. Now, when I boiled my pasta in the water, I did put a little bit of salt in there, so give it a little bit of flavor, and that way your pasta won't be sticking, okay? So you got your flavors in. If it's not to your liking, add more. Okay, so I like to sometimes take my pasta and do it separate. See there? A little bit. And we are going to go ahead and start scooping. Make sure it's all on there. Yummy. Look at that. Look at that. Delish, guys. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Don't take much. Put how much you like, how much seasoning you like. Just quick, simple, delish. Didn't have to go to the restaurant. You bring the restaurant to you. And just to make it a little prettier for you guys, parsley only if you want to. A little bit of parsley. Boom. You are all done. And let's get to tasting. Look. A little bit of sweetness with that sauce is delish. Another easy meal prepared for you in Shimon's kitchen. Have a blessed one.